Red chilies and spices are the base for this fiery, red, sour, and spicy curry. Everything is blended together with water and vinegar, and then it's added to a pot over sautéed onion. Pureed tomatoes and tamarind are added, together with some salt and kokum petals. Shrimp is then added in and cooked in the velvety gravy. Here are some of the ingredients I will be using, but instead of grinding the chilies dry, I will be soaking them in hot water for about 30 minutes. This will make the skins nice and plump, and it'll be easier to grind and result in a nicer and smoother paste. You can remove the seeds if you wish. These are 10 Kashmiri chilies, and I've chosen to use the reddest ones. I'm also going to add 10 peppercorns, 2 green cardamons, and 4 cloves. Next, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, followed by 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. I'm going to grind all of these dry spices together. Next, I'm going to add a 1-inch piece of ginger and 6 cloves of garlic. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. If your grinder jar is plastic, you may want to add the turmeric straight into the curry as it can tend to stain the plastic. Now I'm going to add in the 10 soaked red Kashmiri chilies. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and I'm going to start to grind this. Add a little bit of water that the chilies were soaked in, just a little bit at a time, and keep grinding. Scrape it down in between, add more water, and grind again till the paste is velvety smooth. In total, I've added about a cup of the liquid. I also have 3 small blanched tomatoes that I will puree. This is roughly 3/4 of a cup. In a saute pan, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of oil, and when it heats up, I'm going to add 1 cup of finely diced onion. Allow this to brown. Next, I'm going to add in all of the red paste and I'm going to mix it together with the onion. Add another cup of water into the blender jar just to make sure you get all of that paste and add this in as well. Mix it. Next, I'm going to add in the pureed tomato. I soaked some tamarind in a cup of hot water. I allowed the tamarind to soften and now I'm just going to strain this in. Mix it in and add salt to taste. Ambotik is meant to be sour and spicy, so I'm going to add in 3 to 4 kokum petals. Kokum is available in most Indian stores. It is the dried cover of the kokum fruit that is sour to taste. It's preserved with coarse salt and it's used extensively in Indian cooking. Cook this gravy base on a medium flame for about 30 minutes till it thickens up a bit. The result will be a rich and velvety gravy. All the onion has melted into the gravy and it's very luscious. Make sure to taste before you add in your protein. I will be adding in 1 pound of prawn or shrimp, but you can also add in fish. And when you're done with this gravy, do not throw the leftover gravy out. I usually will freeze all of the leftovers and use it as the base of another curry. Enjoy. And guys, if you love my videos and you want them to keep coming, please like, subscribe, and share.